Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to swap face of any image in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I have downloaded this image from freepik.com. This is a free image. This is also I have downloaded from freepik.com. So we'll take a copy of this layer, select the layer and right click and duplicate layer. Okay, hide the below layer. Now go to second file. Now we'll make the rough selection of this layer. Press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Come back to first file and paste here, Ctrl+V. Adjust it accordingly. Now right click on the layer, select pixels, go to select, modify and contract, set the value to 6, select the below layer and press delete. Deselect this selection, hide and check. Now select both the layer, go to image and go to edit, auto blend layers, select panorama, click on OK. As you can see, both the images are blended together. You can use this technique for other images as well. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts.